My name is Christina England. I'm I-108 and I'm going to sing Reflection. Look at me, you may think you see who I really am, but you never know me. Every day, it's as if I play a part. Now I see, if I wear a mask, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in a world where I have to hide my heart. And would I believe it? But somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and be loved for who I am. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Where is my reflection? Someone I don't know. Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection